Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what I expect from you this first module and this first week of school and where to find it. So what we'll do is we will click on Module 1, right? So this is our home page. You just click on Module 1 and it brings you right to our first week. It'll look a little bit different since mine's in the instructor view. And then you will click on Intro and you'll start on Intro. Ultimately, this first week, you are going to be introducing yourself to the class in a discussion board. You're going to be responding to other peers. You're going to watch a TED Talk or our guest lecturer, right? And you will review the syllabus and do a graded survey. All of those things, the TED Talk and the syllabus, will require a short little quiz. But the takeaways are that in theory, we'll be able to navigate the course, right? We'll be able to know what's expected to do well. We will have a basic understanding of who each other are. And you'll be able to, hopefully be really successful this semester. So let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me through Canvas inbox, which is over here, or you can post in the general questions discussion board, and peers might answer before me. So depending on whether it's a more private question or not, right? Okay, have a good